These are 4 of the best and most profitable niches on TikTok right now. They are getting millions of views and making people thousands of dollars daily. You need to act fast as these niches are getting saturated very quickly. But don't worry, in this video, I will not only show you these viral niches but also provide you all the free tools you need to generate them and garner thousands if not millions of views. The 4th niche is going wild and generating people thousands of dollars per month, so stick to the end to find out. As you know, TikTok's creativity program is now paying creators $1 per 1,000 views. So even if we get 1 million views per month, we can generate $1,000 without any effort. And believe me, getting 1 million views is the easiest it has ever been with these 4 viral niches, especially the last one. Starting with the first niche, AI news. This niche is all about hoping on trends. If you utilize the right trend and make a video on it, you can get millions of views per video. For instance, look at these fish news accounts. They have animated a copyright-free fish character to boost engagement, and they get millions of views. You can use Twitter or follow blogs to hop on trends. The best thing about this niche is that it's an evergreen niche, as trends never finish. The only requirement for this niche is to keep yourself updated on viral topics. Once you find a topic you think may work, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a viral script on the topic. Creating such videos is very easy. Just copy the style of these fish news videos with your own unique script. There's no need to recreate the wheel, just go with what's working. If you consistently upload 2-3 videos per day, you can easily get to 10K followers and 100K views within a month and start earning thousands of dollars from the TikTok Creativity Program beta. The second niche is AI conspiracy theories. This niche is the easiest to go viral with, but only if you use the right hook. For instance, the CIA doesn't want you to know that this land exists. See? That grabbed your attention quickly. This account uploaded less than 100 posts and got over 500,000 followers. It is also averaging more than 100K views per post by only using the right hook. These videos are very easy to make. You just need to find a conspiracy theory and create images using Leonardo Eye or Bing Eye, and generate a voiceover using 11labs.io. All these tools are free to use, but if you want a step-by-step tutorial, comment down below and I will surely make a video on it. The third niche is AI-generated facts. This niche is the most lazy and easy to create. This account is stocking tens of millions of views and generating thousands of dollars per month. To create these videos, you just need to ask ChatGPT for random facts, search for satisfying videos as a background, and generate voiceovers using 11labs.io. Leverage these niches as soon as possible and start earning more than $10K monthly. Now for the last and most profitable niche. Before I tell you, if you are enjoying the video or gaining some knowledge, please subscribe to this channel, and let's grow this awesome community together. The 4th niche is the put your finger down niche. This niche is arguably the most viral niche, gathering millions of views daily, but it is getting saturated very quickly. To make such videos, just enter these pre-made prompts into ChatGPT and watch as it provides you your monthly scripts, then generate a voiceover using 11labs.io. After that, search for satisfying videos on YouTube and use them as engaging backgrounds. Lastly, use CapCut, a free video editing software to edit these videos. Using these niches and posting on the right time twice a day will get you to more than 10K followers within 30 days, and you can start earning thousands of dollars monthly. All the tools I mentioned are completely free, and their links are in the description. If you found the video valuable, make sure you subscribe for more ways to make money.